Hey everybody, this is Keegan with Byrider Madison. It is a beautiful 60 degrees. We are officially in spring. And I don't know about you, I would rather spend my money on doing awesome stuff in spring. Talking about hikes, talking about going on the lake, camping, whatever it is. So I have some great tips for how to increase your fuel efficiency, save a little money. First off, roll the windows down. AC costs gas, roll those windows down, you get the wind in your hair, and you get to save a little money. Also, if you keep your tires properly pressured at 35 psi or whatever it is for your specific vehicle, that helps a lot. And this is more of an emergency situation, but if you're really low on gas, roll the windows up, keep the AC off, and that's more if you're just trying to get to the nearest gas station, the nearest petroleum depot. Now, down here I help people with a low or damaged credit score. I be selling awesome vehicles like this Honda Odyssey, and I want to get you into something today. If you just give me a quick call back at 608-663-1213, ask for Keegan with a K, the one and only, and I'll talk to you soon. Peace.